Question 11. Which of the following about marginal change is true? A, that it is a small incremental adjustment, or B, that it is a large significant adjustment. I did go over this a bit earlier, but I will go through it again. Here we see that option A, it is a small incremental adjustment, is the correct answer, and that is true. In economics parlance, I'm not sure if that's a word or not, but I pronounced it as bourgeoisly as possible. In economics parlance, marginal means additional or incremental. Marginal change is a small incremental change to an existing plan or action. This is not material in totals, except in the aggregate, and this is used to model the behavior of market participants. In short, the marginal change is, I'll write this out again. The marginal change, you'll often hear that economists think at the margins. And this means what you would think it means from this definition. They think what happens when you make an incremental adjustment. So marginal change. And the marginal change is the effect of adding one additional unit. So a pretty common example of this is, we'll say like happiness and money. So economists loosely refer to happiness or satisfaction as utility. I did economics for like 2 years before I learned what utility was. Utility can't be measured by a number. It's ordinal, which means it can only be thought of in a rank sense. So for example, we know that having 11 utils is better than having 8 utils, but by itself, 11 utils means nothing. So the marginal effect of money on happiness, we know that there is diminishing marginal returns to the effect of money on happiness. So if you don't have any money here and you're given like $1,000, that's going to make a pretty big difference to you. Your utility is going to go up by this amount. But if you already have like $5,000 and someone gives you $1,000, then here this should be equivalent to this in length. We can see that it is going to give you less utility than it did when you had less money. So the marginal effect of $1,000 has been shown here. So we can say, excellent answer, that's correct. Move on to question 12. I believe this is the second last question.